So now we know, right, function we need to write, already copied and pasted. Now here will be parameter name will be there, right? Means which value you are doing, you need to give for a related name. Which value we are doing? User section. In double colon I am given as a user section. And LB, what will happen means, so we are giving for the double colon this one and this one. But by script also we are getting for the boundary spaced double colons will be there. What will happen means load runner doesn't know what is that double colon. So we need to give for the where you find the double colon place, you need to give for the black shells. After backspace will be there, right? You need to give this. And I found here, and you need to give here. And I found here, you need to give here. And I found one more here, you need to give here. So LB point up and assembly you can observe one more you missed. And here. And after that, LB is completed. Now go to the RB. So here also it will be there. Can I give here means that will be we are given. This double colon and this double colon we are given. So after equal you need to give. See, after equal to is a one more double colon will be there. You need to give for the class. Now you can observe if you are not given, this will be like a blue color, like a different color. But if you give that, then it will come as a blue color. Means that is the correct syntax. Got it right? So means say you can observe here and go to the notepad. So in parameter name is what value you are doing, you need to give. For example, you are doing user section, you can give for the user section. Okay. And after that LB, this entire value we are taking from here, right? Means here what are the double colons will be there in this place, you need to give for the backspace. Okay. Yeah, hidden after hidden and name is equal to user section and value is equal to also. So that is why I given here like this. Okay, now we are come to here. Now we are where to write the function also completed. Now final will be what? Substitution. So you need to substitute the value. So user section value you need to substitute. What is the parameter name you are given? You need to copy and click on Control H. Okay, and you need to this value place, you need replacing that. You can select this and click on Control H, and you need to replace with like we are doing for the correlation means open curly brace, and after that you need to give for the what name you are given parameter name, same value you need to copy and paste it. Don't write anything. Okay, Control V, and after that close the curly brace. So means where it is this there, this how many times will be there this value it will replace. So now click on find next. So you observe here and you click on replace, and again you can click on find next. See, you can observe only one time will be there, it is replaced completed. Now you can observe user section, it is replaced. Got it? So now correlation everything is completed. Find the dynamic value is completed. Find the dynamic value, left bound, right boundary is completed. Function we know function, and where to write the function we know, and the substitution also is completed. Using these 4 steps we need to do for the correlation. So now correlation is completed, right? Now you can save it and we need to execute. Before that I'm checking for the how many iteration. Okay, one iteration only will be there. Okay, I'm executing one time. See, your script will be paused. Now you can check the user section value captured or not. You can check in the output window. Everything we need check in output window. Go here and here you can see saving parameter user section value. This is the value. You can observe this value and this value is not different. That is why we are doing for the correlation. You can observe. See, this value same or not?
No.
No, right? Means what happened? These values are dynamically changing. So that is why using for the boundaries, we are capturing this value. What will happen if in this value point of view, if any value is changed, no problem. We are able to capture. So that is why we need to do for the correlation. And your substitution done, right? See, parameter substitution, it is the same value substituted. So now we can observe this value, right? Now again I execute. This time also again the section value will be changed. Means user to user will be the value every time it's changed. So you can do for the number of user point of view without doing correlation, your script will be fail. Now you can observe here, go here. Now you can copy this value again. You can observe. See, again, this value is changed or not. You can observe 2048 is right. Here will be 210. Means user to user will be value is be changing. Got it right? Everyone? Everyone is fine? Correlation?
Hello.
Yes.
Kiran, can I show my screen? Okay, oh, you got that 500. You can show me that one real example. Will understood easily. I think everyone are getting some that error only.
Yeah, we'll see that one later. Okay. So now we done for the user section, right? After that, you need to check for the which value we need to do. Already we find one more value. What is that value? What is that? Next value what? Everyone will be there.
Departure city.
So now you need to find in our script departure city. So departure city. Now I'm going to searching departure city. This is the departure city is London. So same way we need to do. Click on this and copy. Come to the code generation and go to the control home. And after that, you need to remove this and paste it and click on next. Now you are able to see this value, and you can take this value and copy and paste in the notepad. I'm copying, pasting to the notepad. Now I'm pasting this. Now, what is the dynamic value in this value?
Hello.
What is the dynamic value?
London before is the left boundary.
Yes, that is fine. I'm not asking left boundary. I'm asking for the what is the dynamic value. Actually,
London.
in this
London.
Yes, London is dynamic value, right? Yes, good.
Yes.
So London is the dynamic value. So in the London left text we can consider as a left boundary.
LB.
Right text we need to consider as a right boundary. So you can observe for here point of view, we can see for the two Londons. So means you can take up to this is the left text, up to this is the right text. Means we can take for any one of this. Maybe you can take this London, means what will happen? This is the left text, left boundary. This is the right text. This is the right boundary. Maybe you can consider as a this London. Then what will happen? This is the left boundary and this is the right boundary. So means you can take any one is fine. So now we need to write the function. What is the function?
Web underscore reg underscore
Web and-
underscore
Web underscore reg
Reg
underscore
underscore
save
Reg underscore save underscore
Param.
param.
Now you need to give for the like double colon. It's a parameter
Double
name.
colon.
Syntax you can observe.
Parameter.
Comma
Yeah.
LB, comma RB, comma last.
Last semicolon.
Semicolon. So parameter name is what value we are doing?
London.
London what? Departure city, right?
Departure.
So you
Departure
need to
city.
give for the name like this. Depart underscore city. And after that, here we need to give for the LB. You need to give for the LB equal to and RB equal to. Now we need to consider as a this is the left to dynamic value. Then left to will be what is the left boundary? This is the left boundary. You can copy and paste it here. And right boundary means this is the right boundary. Enter this will be right boundary. You can copy and paste here. Now we need to where to write the function we need now. Now we can go to the script. So which snapshot it will be there? T14 will be our
Four.
dynamic value will be
Four.
there. Means we need to
Four.
write for the T13, T3 above.
Above. Okay.
T3 above. T3 is this is the T3. So you need to write
Okay.
for the above means you need to write here.
Okay.
So you can copy that. Paste it here. And what I told, so if it is a dynamic value place, any double colons will be there. We need to give for the slash.
Backslash.
So in the LB equal to after that, we are able to see right double colon. So that is we are not given coming from the script. So that is why load runner don't know. So we need to give for the slash. And after that, this LB is completed and RB also you have anything double colons will be there. No, right? So
Okay.
now this is completed. Now where to write the function is completed. Final step, what is that? Where to write the function? Sorry, substitution. So
Substitution.
so what you need to do? Go to here and select this and click on Control H. In the London place only, right? You are replacing with this value. So what is that? In London place, we are replacing with the. You can go here and you can copy paste it. No problem. Okay. Copy this parameter name and here you need to give for the open curly brace and Control V and after that close the curly brace and after that find next and I find for the London and replace. Okay, if any other place will be there, you can click on find. No more matches found the London means already how many places will be there, all places will be done. So click on OK. Now it is completed for the entire parameter correlation. Now what you need to do? You need to execute. This is the execute button. Now you are able to capture the dynamic value or not. We need to check. Pavani, you are able to understand?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Raji? So,
Yes, sir.
okay. See, this is a very important concept. So our major work will be this because we'll get for the script lot of values. See, now we can go here and come to here. See, departure city is equal to Denver. But previous what value will be there?
London.
London. But you can observe here will be Denver will get because this is a dynamic value. That is why we are capturing. And substitution also you can able to see the substitution. See, departure city is Denver. So departure city is completed. Next, what value we can do? Same way we need to do for the arrive city. And after that, you need to do for the windows and the business. And after that, you need to do for the outbound flight value. After that, everything will be done. So like this, you need to do for the script. Maybe you are not done. What will happen means the page will be successfully be not loading. Means login page is you are not getting proper response. Because every time will be user section value is changing, but you are not done correlation, then what will happen? Thus, your script will be failed. So, anyone have any doubts for today class for correlation?
Okay.
What is the correlation process? First thing, what is the correlation? Correlation can be used to capture
Find
the
the
dynamic
dynamic
values
value.
which are generated from the server side. So first thing, find the dynamic value in the script. It means we need to find the dynamic value in our script. What are the dynamic values will be there. So next step will be find the dynamic value left boundary, right boundary. So how do you find the dynamic value left boundary, right boundary means go to the script and find the dynamic value. You can copy the dynamic value and go to the output window, select as a code generation and go to the control hem and copy that in search box and click on find next and you are able to see the dynamic value. You can copy and paste it. And after that, you need to find the dynamic value left boundary, right boundary, and you need to put the function. what is the function? Web underscore reg underscore save underscore param. In that function, what are the arguments? Parameter name, LB, RB, and last also one are the argument. Okay. And after that, where to write the function means we need to write for the above of the request. So it is a snapshot 2 will be our dynamic value will be there. You need to write for the snapshot 1 above. Substitution nothing but in this dynamic value, how many places will be there in our script? You need to replace with just replace with that name. So everyone is good.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
thank you. I think what today's assignment will be, everyone will be record for the web2 script, and after that you need to find the dynamic value in our script and do for the correlation for all values: user section, departure city, array, seat preference, seat type, and outbound flight value,
Okay.
and share the results in our group.
Okay.
Sir, can you please explain once where to put the black slashes in that?
Okay, yeah. So now you can observe this is value. See, you can observe, for example, I'm not copying to the anywhere. So you can observe this is the dynamic value, right?
No.
This is the dynamic value.
Hmm.
So you are taking as a this is the left text, this is the left boundary. So this is the left, right? So this is the left. So now you are able to see dynamic double columns, right? So where it is coming double column in the boundaries, you need to place here.
In only left boundary only, left and
Left
right
and right.
boundary only.
Left and right.
Okay. In users, we given that parameter name also. In that we didn't give the
Yeah,
black
you don't
slashes.
give. See, because you can observe syntax. So I'm writing, you can observe syntax web
Yeah.
underscore reg underscore save underscore param. And after that, I'm doing for the, I'm only giving for the double colon, this double colons, comma. And after that, this double colon I'm giving because LB point of view and RB and comma last. So what are values you are giving these double colons, right? This double colons don't give for the slash. Only it is coming from the LB and RB. What value, what is coming double colon, you need to give for that place slash, backslash. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Got it right?
Means, Kiran, actually you give a nine here below second column. You give, you didn't give here forward slash here user
Where?
name
Here.
after name.
Yeah, you can give. I given, just I showed. Okay.
Okay.
How many places will be there? You need to give for that many places in LB or RB.
Means the simple thing here web underscore reg underscore save underscore forum, whichever you are giving double colon, have to use.
Yes.
Okay. Hash. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
And Danya, substitution where we take the value, there only we give the
Yeah, in
substitution.
script only, right? See, in script only,
In a script.
you find the dynamic user section value you need to find, right? You can select and control H and replace with your parameter name. What is name you are giving?
Okay.
User section.
Users.
How many times will be there in our script? You need to replace. For example, you can observe here, C type, C, you can observe C type will be, we have the different, so many times will be there. You can take for the how many times. Otherwise, you can observe outbound flight value will be there. This will be here will be there, and here also will be there. You need to replace 2 times. Using for the control H, you can do.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
why I'm saying very interesting, right? So this is only our major job. Doing for the correlation is the major job, because this script only we have the like how many lines? Example, only 182 lines. But in real time, what will happen means it will be the script will be there in 10,000 lines. For means in the 10,000 lines, you need to find the dynamic value, and after that, you need to do for the each and every value will be correlation.
So our daily activity is this only, Kiran.
Yes, this is our major
Means,
job.
main load runner and even means in load runner have to do only parameterization correlation. Only that's it.
Yes, these two only major. After that, remaining also we have. That will be not much time take. That will be single time work. Okay.
Okay.
These two will be very important. And parameterization also very simple concept. Okay, you can do for the parameterization, whatever values you are entering, you can do that. That's simple. But in correlation point of view, you need to find how many values will be there, and you need to do for the correlation. So everyone understand, or anyone have any doubts, please ask me. Otherwise, we can go to close class.
Okay,
Hello?
Kiran. Kiran, if in case in between tomorrow we are doing have any issue, I will put in group. Please help me if in case you stuck.
Yeah, you guys can go put me group, no problem. Okay.
Okay.
And already I told, right, you guys can do for the teamwork, man. Maybe what will happen? Maybe Mahesh know for the some points. Maybe he missed one point. Maybe funny, maybe my so if anyone know, then you guys can do for the practice is very good, because in real time also we can have the team, right? Teamwork we can do. So that is will be good for you guys. I did groups, but no one is following. What happened? I don't know. So apart from in this group, Pavani only doing job, and apart from this, Nova, everyone is free only, right? I think Vamshi also doing job. Yes, Vamshi?
Yes, sir. No, me and Sushma every day.
Yeah, Vamshi and Sushmita.
Yes.
Okay, then good. That is a good thing. Already I divided right teams. You guys can go through that. Funny, your group? You one?
Me, sir.
Jyoti. So you guys started?
No, sir. Just now I installed the software, no, sir.
You can do it. You can do it. Raji, I think that day, Raji, you are not there, right? In the group.
Yes, Sunny, I don't know. Yeah.
Do one thing. I think Pavani will be. Okay, she will do for the. She will be
Muhammad is not there.
working. Ahmad is
I don't-
not there, right?
Uh,
Yeah, Muhammad today is. He told he has some work, so he not attended. He informed me. Okay. Vamshi group, you can add Raji. Vamshi, you are in.
Sushma.
Vamshi, funny. Okay, Shushma and Funny and Raji is one group. Okay.
Okay.
And Mahesh, your group will be, for as of now, will be Muhammad. Okay.
yes.
Otherwise, can do one thing. You can merge this group, Mahesh. Okay, as of now, you can guys can continue for what we know. Then after that, we can divide as a 2 to 3 numbers. Okay. Thank you for joining, everyone. We'll touch with you. This is the very important concept I explained today. Okay. Please do the assignment, everyone. If anyone not do, so don't attend classes. Not only tomorrow, don't attend classes for tomorrow onwards. You don't attend classes, and I will give for the refund also your fees. Okay. So very important concept, please do. And if you do this today, right, tomorrow onwards, I will give for the different URLs, and you need to do for the practice. Practice is the very important for a year. Thank you for joining, everyone. We'll catch